All right. Now, a tariff offensive by Donald Trump set off a rout in global stocks. Trump said he will apply a minimum 10% tariff on all exporters to the US and slap additional duties, which I mentioned earlier, on around 16 nations. Early trends in financial markets on Thursday show risk-off bets and lower treasury yields. Gold surged to a new record high of safe haven demand, extending all-time highs to 17 times this year during a 20% rally. Trump's latest salvo turbocharges the worldwide trade war. This conflict is likely to be marked by tit-for-tat strikes that destabilize supply chains, stoke inflation, and encourage more countries to form alliances that exclude America. Wall Street futures crashed with the S&P 500 down over 3.5% and Nasdaq plunging 4.5%. European stock futures fell over 2%, mirroring the general market downturn. China stocks slumped as trade war fallout spread across Asia. Thursday's opening saw stocks in Australia, Japan and South Korea plunging. Australian blue chip stock index fell nearly 2% and Tokyo's Nikkei index crashed 3.4% at the open. Shares of companies linked to sectors that will be the hardest hit by the new round of tariffs were sharply lower. Nike, Gap, Lululemon, Athletica fell at least 7%. They rely on goods and factories from Vietnam. Apple, whose supply chain is heavily dependent on China, fell as much as 6.9%. Chip makers such as Nvidia and Advanced Micro Devices were down as well, as were the multinational Caterpillars and Boeing. Now, the currency market, that's faced significant volatility. The new global trading regime still argues for a stronger dollar, but the yen remained the favorite hedge as risk sentiment soured. The yen strengthened over 1% against the US dollar in early exchanges on Thursday. The worst hit region by the tariff announcement is undoubtedly emerging Asian currencies. Southeast Asian currencies and stocks declined after Asian emerging nations were given some of the biggest tariff increases.